Hello people, this is Arshita. Today I am going to share the tricks and the preparation tips which I followed during my JEE and as well as other entrance exam preparation which made me to step into the NITW. Hope you guys learned something from the video. Today we shall start with the sequences and series. At first we shall go through these formulas. Directly we can use them in the problems so that we can solve in 50 to 60 seconds in entrance exams. So but first, this is a very important formula which you need to be remembered in your exams, valued exams. See, whenever there is a series like this, like 1 by a of a plus d plus 1 by a plus d into a plus 2d, so that like on if it go, so in options they'll give 4 options, you need to select one, right? So you need to directly apply this formula like n by a of a plus nd. You need to one thing you need to remember in your mind, like a of a plus d, that means a, what the number you outside the bracket should be the same number inside the bracket at first. If it's not, then you need to see whether it comes or not. You need to check before you apply the formula. And then this is known by everyone that sum of natural numbers is equal to n of n plus 1 by 2. Sum of first natural numbers. Yeah, and then sum of squares is equal to n of n plus 1 of 2n plus 1 by 6. And then when you go for this cube of the first n natural numbers, then you will get n square of n plus 1 all square by 4. And then for odd numbers, first odd natural numbers, then you will go for n square. And then first or even natural numbers, sum of first even natural numbers, then you need to apply directly formula n into n plus 1. You need to remember these formulas in your mind, like you need to remember, you need to revise in your mind every morning for 2 to 3 days, then you automatically it will be reminded in your mind. Here let's see the first problem. 1 cross 3, 4 multiplied by 7 plus 7 dot 11. Here dot doesn't mean that the number is a decimal number. That doesn't mean like that. I just represent the cross with the dot here. So that means that 1 cross 3, 4 cross 7, 7 cross 11 plus so on it goes. So you have given with 4 options. You need to select one. So how? Simply think, the first is 1 cross 3, right? So 1 cross 3 is 3. So you need to apply n equal to 1 and see where you get the 3 as answer, then you can easily mark. See now n equal to 1, then that means 3 minus 2 is 1, and 4 of 1 means 4 minus 1 is 3. You directly got, but we need to check, right? So just check. I'll be checking for you. 1 means 3 of 1 plus 1 and 2 of 1 plus 1. Then we're gonna get 4 of 3. That means it's gonna 12. And then it's 2, right? 2 cross 3, it's gonna give 6. And then it's none. So the correct option is the first option. And then for the second one. So now how to do when they give in the sum of series? Series with sum. How you have to do? You need to first take the first two sum. That means 8 plus 2 is equal to 10, right? So you need to check where it comes. You need to apply 2 terms, right? We are taking 2 terms. So n equal to 2. You need to apply. You need to, if you consider 2, 8 and 14, you need to keep n equal to 3. That means 3 terms were considered. So I am considering 2 and 8. So that's 2 terms. I am applying n equal to 2. And just check. 4 cross 3, 12, and it's gonna give 13. 4 n square, 2 square is 4, 4 to the 8, and then 3 of 4 minus 2. That means it's gonna give 10. This is the correct option. You need to check like this. See, don't go blindly with considering one term and it should be 2. You should not do like that. You need to check for 2 terms and then for 3 terms. It obviously gives this 3n square minus n. So you need to check like that for 2 to 3 terms, not for blindly going with the 1 term. So by using these tricks, you can solve within 60 seconds, right? So hope this helpful for you. So now here we are using the first formula which I told you, like a of 1 by a of a plus d plus 1 by a plus d of a plus 2d equal to n by a of a plus nd. So use this formula here. How you gonna use? That's the important thing. So 1 by 1 of 1 plus 1 plus 2 of 2 plus 1, so on. So here n by a of a plus nd, right? So that implies here a equal to 1, right? If you see here a 1 plus nd, that means n equal to that means n equal to 1, but they given in the terms options in the terms of n, so no need of keeping n equal to 1 here. So even if you keep also, you can clarify, you can check in that way also. So here it gonna give n by a equal to 1, keep in this 1 plus n, right? So that gonna match with second option. Okay, if you keep n equal to 1, I'll do even that way. That employs 1 by 1 of 1 plus 1, right? So 1 by 2. You check by keeping now you are getting 1 by 2 in two options, 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So you need to be careful while doing this kind of problems. If the option is already given in n terms, you should not keep n equal to 1. If you keep, it will gonna give multiple answers. So try to avoid those confusion while your exams. And here we shall try directly without the options. 1 by 4 of 4 plus 1 plus 1 by 5 of 5 plus 1 plus 1 by 6 of 6 plus 1. It should be 7 here I have. So now it's gonna give n by 4 of 4 plus n, because a is 4, a of a plus nd, right? So a is a of 4, so n by 4 of 4 plus n. So here when they given like this, it's a summation series. So you need to first apply n equal to 1 so that you get a series, so that you can solve further. So when you keep n equal to 1 by 3, 4 of 1 plus 3 equal to 7. So you get a series like this. 1 by 3 dot 7 plus 1 by 7 dot something. It's gonna so on. So you'll get a series like that. You can apply directly the same formula which we have used for the above two problems. N by a of a plus nd. Here a equal to 3. You can easily see that n by 3 of 3 plus 4n, because here you can represent it 7 with 3 plus 4, so a of a plus nd. So the option is n by 3 of 3 plus 4n. It's in first option. So you got the point, right? You can directly use n by a of a plus nd wherever you see a some series like this, a continuous series. So here we have a arithmetic ratio trick. Let's go through that. First, if you have given with the sum ratio and you need to find with arithmetic ratio, then you need to substitute n equal to 2n minus 1. In reverse, if they are given something with an and you need to find the sum, then you need to apply n equal to n plus 1 by 2. So let's go through the problem so that you can understand easily. At first, 3n plus 8 by 7n plus 15. A12 by A12 dash. So what we are doing, we are going from Sn to An. That means 2n minus 1. So keep directly 3, 2n minus 1 plus 8 plus 7 of 2n minus 1, 2n minus 1 plus 15. Then what you need to apply in an? N equal to 12. Here they have given a of 12, no? So n equal to 12, and then you apply, you get the answer. 2 of 12 minus 1 plus 8, 7 of 2 of 12 minus 1 plus 15. Then you will get the answer. Here in reverse, we have the reverse of the first problem. They have given in arithmetic, then we have to find in summation. So it's also simple thing. You need to just remember the trick, then you can easily do. Now we are going from an to Sn, so we need to keep n equal to n plus 1 by 2. That's very easy, right? n plus 1 by 2 plus 8 by 5 of n plus 1 by 2 minus 3. So you'll get your answer. You need to apply n equal to here 29 because s of 29. And then if you have given something like in an AP, T64 equal to 13 and T13 equal to 64, that means twisting. So you directly apply T of 101 equal to 13 plus 64 minus 101. You will get minus 24. This answer you can, if they have given something like related to the problems, you can easily do. Thank you. Hope you guys like this video. If you are like this video, like, share and subscribe and share to your friends who are in need.